So today we were supposed to be working on the Jag and filming for our next episode, but Ricky Bobby decided that he was going to go on eBay this morning, and now we're in the middle of Bristol and we've just picked up a new toy for Ricky Bobby to hurt himself on.
Whoa. Let me explain this to you.
Talk us through it.
There is a list. There's a list. There's the I want list that when they come up at the right money, you have to have one. Well, the list can be as old as I am.
Or as long.
It's I wants. You know, like Mousetrap. Can't remember the last time Mousetrap was for sale. Hungry Hippos. They don't make them like they used to. There's a few on the list. We've ticked a few off. You all right there? You playing with your studio light?
Studio light's on.
I mean, all right. There has been something on the list for about 15 years. You know me, I'm all about the 80s and 90s. We gone full 80s. And you know when it's cool, when they only made them for a few years, and then they got banned for being hooligan-mobiles, death machines. 1985 Yamaha Tri-Z 250. Behind you. Whoosh! There she is. Hang out the window, you bastard. You get on the roof.
I don't want to get on the roof. I'll get on the roof in a minute.
Getting on the roof and filming that is less dangerous than getting on that trike. Alright? That's a fact.
Does it run?
Did it run? Yeah, it did run.
When it was new?
Right. I bought it, apparently it was supposed to be running. She's been sat for 11 months with the same fuel in. So we couldn't run it tonight, but we're getting running, and I just want to own it and sit on it and stroke it, maybe have a little wheelie. Charles, being younger, is going to be the one getting the X-ray.
I might have a little.
You gonna have a little go on it?
Have a little backflip.
How's your history on trikes? Have you ridden many trikes?
So I got 100% good history.
Ah, you've never fallen off a trike?
Nope.
Right. Okay.
All
right. Well, I've never fallen out of the back of the bloke, but then again, I've never mounted one. So
we have something in common.
I think we're on the same level there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Right. So how did the progress on the Jag go today?
It was schematical. We've looked through the graphs. We've done some flow charts. We sat down. We had a business meeting. A couple of drinks. The business meeting pretty much was like this. What we're doing now is a bit like a business meeting.
And then we went to Bristol.
Yeah, then we realised we have no parts. Oh no, one of our shithouse mates dropped off some fiberglass piece of shit.
Correct. I could probably crop in a picture of it.
Yeah, we'll crop in a picture of that.
Somewhere along, maybe here. And Matt's just now pulling in for a cup of tea.
I got scared with a new toy and needed a wee. Gate's locked, mate. Can't go through there.
You're not going to get through that, mate.
Can't get through there.
Right, so we'll get back to the workshop and then we'll update you.
Yes. Gar. Happy without me. I tell you. 1985, baby. Woo!
What's make of him then, Ricky? What's make of him?
Fucking love it, mate.
You're going to take it round for a steady ride? Steady. Red said you're not allowed to ride it. Zero tools. We got every damn tool in this workshop, but someone's brought us up this bottle, and I ain't got nothing to open this bottle. I can't put it in here, because that ain't gonna work. Let's get on outside. I hear something going on, commotion out here. Let me find down Ricky Bobby. Here's the gate. I'll call him back in. Here, Ricky Bobby. I hear a Tri-Z rider can hook her up fast on 2 wheels. Proper balance, like. You think you can do her on 2 wheels? Which wheel? That back one and the front one. Well, cock a leg up? Cock a leg up, swing her back. I never tried, I'll give it a go. Give it a go, I got a good idea. Alright, game on! That's a damn refreshing beverage. We cock a leg up. Alright. Well, did you want me to do that again? Thirsty much? Thirsty. Yes, mate, that looked bumpy as Right. Back in the mid-1800s, Colonel Sanders developed something called independent rear suspension. Unfortunately, he never told Yamaha about this. 150 years later, this is shit! Let's have some in that hot grass there, brother. Oh, she nearly had me! She nearly had me! You need to bring her back in the workshop, brother, before she hurts you real bad. Yeah, it's gonna hurt someone. You won yourself a cider there, brother. I don't want to sound like James Bond, but it ain't no time to die. Let's go back to work. Let's get back to the workshop. Gar. So, mixed opinions, to be honest, mate. Mixed opinions. Lot good, lot bad. Which do you want first? Let's have the good. All right, the good. One thing I love about this thing: don't get this on a crosser. Somewhere to put me thatch. That's lovely. There's a whole complete dashboard up here. Yeah, I can put stuff on. Other good stuff. Not sure if I mentioned the arthritis, but if you come around the other side, forward kickstart. Oh, that's good for the hips. Good for the hips. Works for me very well. Other things that are nice. The sound is nice. Sounds nice. Smells nice. The smell's nice. Smells lovely. You want to go through the bad stuff? Yeah. Okay. Right. It steers terrible. In fact, I would say it doesn't steer. You open it up, it doesn't know where it wants to go, left or right. When you turn the steer in, it's more of a request than a demand.
The brakes are absolutely shocking. I think the clutch is slipping a little bit. The power band isn't quite cleared yet.
So what you're saying is well, actually, I'm not sure what you're saying. Are you happy or not?
It's fucking awful, mate.
That wasn't the question. I said, are you happy with your purchase or not?
I'm getting to the happy. It does go, but it wants to kill you. It don't stop and wants to kill you. It don't steer when it does. It's the wrong way and wants to kill you.
In fact, you're going to have to work very hard to stay alive, Nick. Now, do you understand everything I've said? Because if you don't, I'll kill you.
And I couldn't be happier. It's golden.
Right, what's the plan with it? What we doing? We flipping it or we keeping it?
No, this has been on the list for 15, 20 years. We'll probably enjoy it a little bit for the last few months of the autumn, little bit of the winter, as she's a runner. Then probably pull her apart, make her factory.
I'll go real factory finished, like nice.
Yeah, she's got all the right clips, fittings, staff stuff. I mean, she's still got the heat shield on here, little straps on her. Everything's factory. Definitely not too far gone. I mean, it can't be too far gone. We've just rode it around the estate. She's lovely. Well, it made me smile. It's horrible, but it made me smile.
Right. So hopefully one day in the future we'll see a completely immaculate
Tri-Z 250.
Like and subscribe.
Click and acknowledge.